Vaibhav Agarwal joins in with a quick perspective on this. Vaibhav, how are you reading into the story? The RBI's view is going to be final. They're going to take a call on it in about 2 weeks. But for individual names, for the stocks, as somebody who tracks these companies, these stocks, what is the sort of level of interest and excitement there is with regards to this news?
Regarding the RBI not going ahead, right? I mean, can you just clarify the...
No, the government is proposing 100% FDI in private banks. The RBI is staying cautious on it. They're going to decide on this piece of news in about 2 weeks from now.
Well, I mean, we really have to wait and watch what the RBI does. I mean, our understanding over a period of time has been that, RBI is not really very keen to do this. There have been, concerns expressed regarding, providing 100% FDI. I mean, if that happens, of course, that would be a great, positive. Again, this is, FDI. So whether, even the corresponding overall limit is increased for FIIs or not has to be seen. But if it is FDI, again, whether ADR, GDR holdings are, allowed within that, then I think all private sector banks could, benefit from being able to raise more money abroad. To that extent, it would be positive for those stock prices. From an outright, strategic point of view, again, one has to see the feasibilities, but it would be a sentiment booster even from that perspective. But, our general sense is that there is reluctance to actually go ahead. So unless it actually happens,
sure,
we would not act on this.
Yeah, which is fine. Vaibhav, I completely take on board that point. My simple, limited question to you is that this is anyways a proposal which was non-existent as of now. If the RBI acts upon it, it's a positive. If the RBI doesn't act upon it, it's surely not a negative, right?
No, not a negative, because fundamentally, the private sector banks remain a positive story, and just this news itself, is not really the reason for being positive on these stocks anyway. So, and I don't think it's baked into the price either, like you said. So, it would not be a negative. In fact, it would not be a surprise either if the RBI actually does not do it. If they do it, in fact, that would be a big positive surprise.
I would think so too. Vaibhav, a quick 30-second answer though. What's your view on the IDFC stub that is, in a manner of speaking, listed today, currently at 60 odd? Is that fair value?
I'm sorry, we don't track IDFC.
Fair call. Okay, that was out of the blue, Vaibhav. Sorry for that. But thanks so much though for joining in today and giving us those thoughts. So yeah, not a negative. Had it happen, or if it happens, it's a positive. Let's see, as and when.
I mean, otherwise it's life as usual, right?
Life as usual, precisely.
I just, before we wrap up, of course, so I just want to get in